So full time here at Aberystwyth, it's Aberystwyth 3, Newtown 0. I'm here with goal scorer Craig Hobson. Craig, 2 goals tonight, you must be delighted. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm over the moon, yeah. It was a good game, like I've scored 2 goals, but the lads from 1 to 11 were at it tonight and it was a joy to play.
And as you said there, you've scored 2 goals tonight. It's been a bit of a frustrating start to the career, but must be nice to get those 2 goals and get the momentum going forward.
Yeah, it's really good, yeah, it feels good. Like, I've had a lot of injuries like the past year and then following to the start of this season, but hopefully touch wood they're behind me now and we can kick on.
And as you said there, team performance tonight, from 1 to 11, the defence was great and you all chipped into a fantastic and memorable performance for local rivals.
Yeah, it was a great performance. Like I say, we needed the win tonight. A draw, I felt a draw wasn't good enough for us tonight. We needed to win.
And we're out of the bottom 2 now. That must be a great feeling, and especially with 2 big games coming ahead, with 1 against Barn and Cup and 1 against Connors Key away. 2 massive games.
Yeah, definitely. Like you say, me and the lads were just taking it 1 game at a time. Like that's all you can do. Just try and win our game, and then look at the results after.
How about many congratulations on a fantastic performance tonight.
Cheers, bud. Thank you.